Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. It's Zach. Sorry about the hat. My hair is crazy. I need a haircut, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I'm going to be getting during the Sephora VIB sale that's going on. Also, I didn't want any judgment for this crazy hair, so we put on a hat. I don't need the shade, okay? So you guys, I was looking at some of the Paulas Choice skincare. I know Paulas Choice is very popular and very effective, but based on when I was looking at it, I just couldn't really find anything that I was crazy interested in. Some of the peels would be too aggressive for my skin. Now that I'm using tretinoin pretty much every single night, these AHA peels and exfoliating things just are a little bit too harsh for me personally. I am tempted to try out the Paulas Choice Mini Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I will check out the trial size. For me, I'm a VIB member, so I am going to get 15% off when I order this. The sale is going on until Monday, April 19th, so you still have time if you haven't already decided what you wanted. Hopefully this is a little bit helpful for you to decide what you're gonna get during your sale. But nothing else seems crazy interesting. I wanted to check out Pharmacy. They're kind of a newer company and they have a lot of hype, so I wanted to check it out. Oh my gosh, the price point on this. Comment down below what from Pharmacy you guys like or would want me to try out, and maybe I'll get it, but right now I'm gonna pass. Alright, let me go over to my cart and show you guys what's in my cart, and I'm gonna be checking out in just a few hours. Oh, thank you for that reminder, computer. Guys, if you do not have Rakuten installed on your computer, you should definitely check it out. This is not sponsored or anything. It is a browser extension, so if I click this R right up here, I'm going to get 2% cash back on my entire purchase, which my purchase is over $150, so I will be getting back over $3, which isn't a lot, but it does add up. I'm getting that cash back for doing nothing, and they do send it in the form of an actual check. So you don't have to go buy gift cards and spend more money. You can actually just get money back into your bank account, which is awesome. And they do all the work for you as far as discount codes. So right here it says 22 coupons found, and you can apply them. And it's gonna do the work for you and kind of just go through and see what discount codes will work for your order. There's been so many times that I'm checking out and I hit this apply button, I let it do its thing, and I end up getting like an extra 10 or 20% off my order from some code that I just didn't even know existed. So it's totally awesome. If you want to check it out and download it, I do have an affiliate link that will be in the description box down below. I will get a little bit of money back if you decide to download it, and when you download it you will also get immediately get money. I believe it's $15. So it's a great way to just kind of get your cashback rewards. No matter the store that you're shopping on, doesn't have to be Sephora. They do support many different stores, so definitely check that out. On my order, I'm going to be getting back $3.48, and then all you have to do is continue to check out. So here's what I am getting, you guys. Also, right now, Sephora is offering free shipping on, I think, all of their orders with the code FREESHIP. So you don't have to meet that minimum threshold. Usually it's $50 to get free shipping. So I totally love that if you just want to get 1 or 2 items during the sale, you can go ahead and do that and get free shipping with the code FREESHIP. I do get 2 samples with my order. I'm not sure which samples I'm going to get. The Beauty Blender Concealer, pass. The One Size Secure Blur Makeup Magnet Primer, I don't even know what that is, pass. Sephora Colors Lip Stories, pass. Givenchy, ooh, I like Givenchy. Foundation, pass. Hair Sweet, pass. Valentino. A foaming wash, another Bobbi Brown foundation, polishing peel, oil control primer from Smashbox. Christophe Robin Hydrating Melting Mask with Aloe Vera. Ooh, maybe that. And the Origins Serum. Okay, those are probably what I'll do, just because I'm the most interested in that. Though I do love Givenchy stuff, so I'm kind of curious if those would be any good. Skin Glow Foundation. Pass. So here's what I'm getting in my order, you guys. I'm going to get the Ordinary Matrixyl 10% plus hyaluronic acid. That is a peptide serum. It works really well. Peptides are great for anti-aging. They are going to help plump the skin as well. And the hyaluronic acid is going to help hold on to water as it is a humectant. So I like that combination. Used it before, really like it. $11.50, not a bad price. Underneath it, I'm going to continue with the peptide trail. I'm going to get the Ordinary Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1%. Love that product as well. Very pricey though, $28.90, so it is a little bit of a pricey product. I actually don't think the Ordinary products are included in the VIB sale. They were not last time. I don't know about this time, but I'm going to order them anyways while I'm doing an order. That's a great product, very proven, very effective, and it's great for anti-aging. I would recommend it to anyone that really wants to get their anti-aging game up. But it is relatively pricey, so you can get the more affordable regular buffet or the Matrixyl 10% plus HA. Next, I'm going to be getting the Inkey List Peptide Moisturizer. I don't know why I need all these peptides. The peptide moisturizer I've never tried. I'm curious about it. I tried their HEPA peptide serum and I really liked that. It's very matte, so good for summer. So I'm not sure about this product, so let's actually read about it. Highly rated, 4 stars, 252 people. It says best for dry skin. Oh. Okay. It says it's a rich cream. Alright, maybe I don't need this. Let's look at the ingredients. Where are they? I want to make sure our peptides is not the last ingredient because that's annoying. So the peptides are some of the last ingredients. Oh, I love that it has shea butter. Alright, I'm not going to get this because this looks like it's more better for like winter, at least for me. If you have dry skin, this probably would be good, but you're not really getting a lot of peptides. They're the last ingredient, so that's stupid. Bye. We're getting a little bit cheaper. I like it. Okay, then I'm going to get the Inkey List Q10 Antioxidant Serum. I love that. Super lightweight, great for summer. Doesn't leave you matte, doesn't leave you oily. It's just like a nice serum. Q10 is an antioxidant, so it will help fight free radicals. And it's great to apply in the morning. So I like that. Underneath that, I'm getting the Ordinary Alpha-Arbutin 2% plus hyaluronic acid. That I emptied out like a couple months ago. I've been waiting to repurchase. Really love that product. It's good for hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory erythema, acne scars, sunspots, things like that. It's really nice and can help brighten up the skin. And the hyaluronic acid just holds on to water and plumps the skin up as well. So I love that combination. $8.90, good price. Now, check this out, guys. The Sephora favorites. I hope this doesn't go out of stock. I was going to get a different one of their favorite packages, but it's out of stock. So this is $44, but you guys, it's a $134 value. That's awesome. Such great savings. The reason I'm really getting this is because I want this Dr. Brandt Liquid Broad Spectrum SPF 50. It's a all mineral, really lightweight, no white cast sunscreen. It seems awesome, so I want to test it out. So it comes with this, I don't even know what it comes with. It comes with this stuff: milk makeup, lip and cheek, scalp and body scrub, a Brazilian bum cream. What the hell? What is that, gonna plump up your butt or something? Brazilian butt lift and a cream? Good thing I'm not paying for that. NARS oil lip tint, Tarte mascara, Urban Decay setting spray, and then that Dr. Brandt Liquid Sun. It's a full size. So some of them are not a full size, but you guys, check this out. I typed this in. Oh, hold on a second. This product, you guys, alone is $65 on the Sephora website. So I'm already getting a savings. So I'm going to get all this other stuff with it. I don't know. I'll check it out when it gets here. It'll probably be in a future giveaway. Hit that subscribe button so that you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you know when I post that giveaway video. You'll know about it and you can enter it. Because I know I'm not going to use all that stuff, but it's a savings value. So I'm going to get that. Let me go back over to my cart over here. Okay, then I'm going to get the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Melting Cream Blush. The Rare Beauty blushes are so hyped up on YouTube, online, on everywhere. They're amazing, super pigmented, last all day, super pretty. Sometimes I like a little flush of color up on the cheeks. I don't have it right now, and I probably look dull and gross. Hopefully they're still in stock. I know that the shades are like all out of stock, but either this one, the cream blush, like in this pot, looks really pretty. I haven't tried that. I've tried the other one, the liquid blush. So I'm going to get the color Nearly Mauve, $21, but with that 15% off, VIB. it's the time to get it. Next, the Ordinary Argireline Solution 10%. That's another anti-aging peptide type of product. Very affordable, $7.90. People call it Botox in a bottle. I don't know about that, but it is pretty nice and effective. Then I am going to get the Inkey List Retinol Anti-Aging Serum. It is my favorite over-the-counter retinol product ever. I saw such great results in that product, and so I'm definitely picking that up. I do use tretinoin, which is a prescription retinol, and so I probably will not use the Inkey List Retinol, but I'll probably save it for a giveaway. Again, y'all, you want to be subscribed for the giveaway, okay? It's so great, so I definitely want to pick it up while it's on sale and while I'm doing an order, whether it's going to be for a giveaway or donating, whatever. Somebody is going to be blessed with the retinol serum, okay? Then I'm going to get the Inkey List Salicylic Acid Plus Pore Cleanser. This seems like a really great cleanser. It's not the best price. It's not bad, but it's not the best. But I'll check it out. I'll test it out. I've been wanting to try it. There's so much hype online, so I just want to go check it out. So that's why I'm going to get that. And then, maybe I don't need the Paulas Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant if I'm getting the salicylic acid cleanser. Yeah, what am I doing in life? What am I doing? That's why we add things to the cart, we reconvene before we check out, because we have some stuff that we just don't need, you know? Alright, and then, why are we getting this? Melt Cosmetics Rebound Lipstick. Can I get something else? That was one of the promo codes that Rakuten added. Okay, I mean, thank you, Rakuten. Great, so let's see, how much does this cost? Okay, I get that it's free, but is it like free for everybody or what's the deal? I don't know. Okay. We're getting it. And then these two samples that I picked out, Melting Mask with Aloe Vera and then the Origins Plantscription Serum. We'll see how those work out. They are free. So that's my total order, you guys. Of course, it wants me to buy more stuff, but that's it. That's all I'm going to do. This is going to bring us to $149. Then I'll get that 15% off, so that's gonna bring me down to like 130 bucks. Yeah, I'll do it. So that's everything that I'm gonna be getting at Sephora. Let me know down below what you're gonna get, if you're gonna get anything, if you downloaded Rakuten to get that extra savings. Get your money, honey. So I will see you guys in my next video. As always, I appreciate your time watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.